Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you struggling to connect your HP DeskJet 3755 to Wi-Fi? This could be a little tricky, especially if it's your first time setting up a wireless printer. The good news is, it's actually simple, once you know the exact buttons to press. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions to connect your printer to Wi-Fi, super fast. Ensure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you intend to use with the printer. Ensure your HP DeskJet printer is turned on. Press and hold the cancel and Wi-Fi buttons together. When you see the power button flashing, release the cancel and Wi-Fi buttons. Grab your smartphone and open the Wi-Fi settings. Now, search and select DeskJet 3700 series from the list of available devices. On your smartphone, download the HP Smart app and either sign in with your existing HP account or make a new one. If you need help downloading the app or setting up your account, I've got separate videos linked in the description. You can pause this one and check them out anytime. Once you're signed in, open the HP Smart app, go to the home screen and tap on Add Printer. On the printer setup page, select the Already Connected to Network option. Now, select your HP printer series from the list. That'll make sure that app talks to the right machine. Now, your printer will appear on the home screen in the Connected Printer section.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.